Today we will discuss about triple riveted lap type zigzag type joint. Firstly, we will understand what is triple riveted lap type zigzag type joint. If two plates will lie one above the other is called lapping or lap. And if there are three holes, but these holes are in zigzag manner. This first row has three holes, second row has two holes, and again third row has three holes. So these holes are in zigzag manner. So this is called zigzag type. But we will place three rivets in between these two plates. So this is called triple riveted joint. So this is triple riveted lap type zigzag type joint. Now rivets will be placed in these three holes. First rivet will be placed in this hole and head will be on the upper side of this plate and tail will be on the down side on these two plates. With the help of die and hammer, we will reform this tail in head shape and this will make a riveted joint. Now second rivet will be placed in this hole which is behind this plate. So second rivet has dotted part. This dotted part shown that this is the hidden part because this is in the back side of these two plates. So this is shown in the dotted lines. And with the help of die and hammer, we will make riveted joint. Now, third rivet will be placed like first rivet because it is in the front side, not in the back side, and rivet will be placed like first rivet. So this is the triple riveted lap type zigzag type joint, and all the holes will occupied by the rivets. This will make triple riveted lap type zigzag type joint. Now we will draw front view and top view for this joint.
For making riveted joint in machine drawing, we have to know about a basic formula of riveted joint, which is D equal to 6 root T. What is D? D is the diameter of rivet. T, T is thickness of plate in between riveted joint will make. H is the head diameter of rivet. Now we see these things in figure. This is rivet. This is H, head diameter of the rivet. This is head diameter. This is D. This is the diameter of the rivet, which will go in the hole. And what is T? T is the thickness of the plate. This T is the thickness of the plate in between the riveted will be placed and riveted joint will make. How this formula will work? Formula is D equal to 6 root T. In the problem, we have given T or D. Then if T is given, if T value is 16, then what will be the D value? D will be 24. So if anyone is given in this formula, we can calculate other thing. If T is given, then we can calculate D, diameter of the rivet. If D is given, then we can calculate T, thickness of the plate. So basic things are T and D, which is required for making riveted joint.
Firstly, we will draw a reference line. From this line, 16 mm above, we will draw another line. This is 16 mm thickness or also called upper plate thickness. And from this line, in the down side, we will draw another line which is also at 16 mm from this reference line. So these two plates will be created. This is upper plate and this is lower plate. On the corner of the plates, a zigzag line sign is shown. This sign is denoted that we did not know about the length of the plates. So we draw these lines. And on the another corner of the plates, we will draw 10-degree angle over 80-degree angle. This 10-degree angle is provided for helping a tight riveted joint. When we take a tool and we press this plate against this plate, and during the riveted joint, the joint will be made strong. So this taper end will help for making a tight riveted joint and a efficient riveted joint. So these angles are provided. Now we will draw rivets in these two plates. Firstly, we have to know about all the specifications for triple riveted lap type zigzag type joint. From the corner of the plate, the first rivet center will be at 1.5D. This is the first rivet center. On this center, we will create rivet. We will draw two lines which is 12 mm from left side and 12 mm from right side, because this is the total diameter of the rivet, which is 24. So from 12 left and 12 right, a total diameter of the rivets will be created, and with the help of a divider, we will place divider on this point and a half circle is created. This is called head diameter of rivet. This is of also 1.5D specification. We will open divider 1.5D by 2, or 1.5D by 2 means radius of the 1.5D. This is complete 1.5D, and from the center to this point it is called radius. So we will open divider of radius. Now from this point we will draw second head of the rivet. So this is the first rivet. Now from this center, second center, we will take at 2D. In chain type case, there will be 2D plus 6, but in zigzag type case, it will be 2D. And second rivet will be created in the same manner, but these lines are dotted because this is the hidden part. Now third rivet will be placed at also 2D distance. Center to center distance in zigzag type joint is 2D, and third rivet will be created. And from this center line, corner of the plate will be at 1.5D. So these are the specifications for the triple riveted lap type zigzag type joint. Now we will draw top view for these two plates and these riveted. Firstly, we will draw upper plate. When we see upper plate from the top side, we will see it clear. So all the lines of the upper plate will be dark. So this is the first plate for the top view. All lines are dark for this plate. Now we will draw second plate which is below the upper plate, and in this some lines are dotted and some are dark because this plate is below this plate. So these lines are dotted, but when this plate will go outside from this upper plate, these lines will dark. So this is the second plate. Now we will draw rivets for these two plates. first rivet will be drawn. When we see from top side, a bigger circle will be created which is of 1.5D, and a smaller circle is created which is of D, diameter of the rivet. Because when we see from the upper side, we will see this circle and this hidden part. So these two are created, and at the distance of 3D, another two circles are created. Center to center distance is 3D, and we will make minimum 3 circle. So this is also the distance 3D. But this rivet is on the back side from these two plates. So there will be two circles, and this circle center will be at from this 1.5D, because total is 3D. So this circle center we will find at 1.5D, and between these center to center distance is also 3D. And for the third rivet, this procedure is same, and top view will be created in zigzag manner. These holes are in zigzag manner, so this is called zigzag type joint. So this is the front view and top view for the triple riveted lap type zigzag type joint. Thank you for seeing this video. For more updated videos, you can subscribe me on my channel Learn.